Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will start the course of this book and we take big initiative to start this course. So now without wasting time, we will start from today introduction of this book. So we will cover this five part in this video. Then we will cover how to think, system thinking, logic building, and in this course you will learn after this course how to work with AI and how to get jobs. This course is especially for junior developer who is new, who is mid-level developer, and also senior is also can do this. If you want to save your job, so definitely everybody should. If you don't want to see video, so you can directly read the book. So without wasting time, we will start. In this era, if we will discuss about the software house, a lots of persons saying software is dead, but reality is not software is dead. Software is not dead. The reality is your career might be. Why? Because nowadays software market is day by day increasing. But the main problem is that junior developer, because they are doing code but not better than AI. AI is doing code better than junior and mid-level developer. So that's why companies is hiring senior developer, and senior developer is using AI best. So now you can see the market is growing. If you are right path, so definitely you will get job and big opportunity in this era. You can see global software market is increasing. In current 920 billion, but after 2030 it will be 2.25 trillion. It's mean the opportunity will be increased. So why this thing I discuss with you junior developer hiring problem, because they are doing code, but if they will take the time of senior developer, they they will learn with senior developer and they are taking 6 months. So with AI don't need to take 6 months directly. With senior developer start coding with AI, so they don't want waste time, and also they can save the money more. Ghulam, do you want to?
Yes, yes. So we
Okay.
continue. Who is actually at the risk? Not the beginner. They have everything to gain, and no bad habits to unlearn. Not the senior. Deep fundamental and architectural thinking protect them. Most at developing in the 2 to 3 year comfort zone. Who know framework, haven't built anything new recently, and believe their experience make them safe. Comfort is real enemy in the 2026 in the AI era. The Vibe Coding Trends Dictionaries 2025 Word of the Year. Vibe coding describes the practice of describing feature in natural language and accepting AI code and accepting AI generated code without understanding it. The consequences are severe. 1.5 trillion in project accumulated technical debt from the AI generated code by 2027. 10% critical failure rate in AI generated applications. Lovable platform audit 2025. 56 slower delivery times in enterprises teams using AI heavily once debugging and rework are factored in Google Dora. Please continue the Hamid.
Okay. So Ghulam told very nice this thing. So if you are understand comfort, so comfort is real enemy in 2026. In this era, you should learn everything new, learn direct, not stop. If you will stop, so other will take your seat. So if you want to big opportunity, so you should stay up to date and learn day by day. Don't waste time. So wipe coding trap 1.5 trillion in project, and more if we will say about wipe coding, so a lots of project fail That's why companies don't want vibe coding. What is vibe coding? If we will say person is doing code with AI, but they can't understand, they can't debug after they are seeing this output, but they don't know behind the scene. So definitely this kind of project will be fail. The new developer identity, the developer, if we will discuss in 2026, so it will be architect of intent. What is mean of this thing? So we will see here, architect of intent. Ghulam, cover this thing. What is architect of intent?
Yes. Yes.
After me. So I am continue. An architect of intent is a developer whose primary value comes from, before was you will do code, you was doing code, but now first you should understand the problem. First thing, understand problem, define defining what need to build. First understand what you want to build. Second, design how you can build it. Step by step you can do everything, and after it you will see the output, what you need the output.
Please continue. I
Okay, so this is simple intent of architect we discuss. So someone who transform ambiguous business goal into main. In business is anything ambiguous, so you should be clear with AI. Business need proper solution. So by after this course, you will understand this thing. So how this book will save your career? This book is structured as a no, a 9 part. One is how to think, system thinking, logic building, system design, debugging, AI agents, and problem solving, business and career. After this is more important part still. After I hope I will add more 2 parts, startup and products building. So I hope I will add this 2 part also. So Ghulam, just
Yes.
cover this, the bottom line.
Yes. The bottom line. Uh,
AI won't replace you.
yes. G. How the bottom line, AI won't replace you, but ignoring AI will. The developers who survive and thrive are not ones with the most framework memorized. The meaning of this lines is AI is not replacing you, but not taking AI, not learn AI might be because of the AI era. We learn AI and work with the AI. Like in the AI era, we don't open a VS code and write a code. We write a prompt that can make a better code, better code. We want to learn prompt engineering, like write a prompt, better prompt for the better output.
Okay. So this chapter we will cover early. The global hiring crisis, we discuss about the job market. 70% is not a junior developer is hiring in market. Why? Because AI is doing code better than junior. So Ghulam, you can
Yes.
see just this part cover. Why this happen? Companies not hiring junior developer.
Because in the junior developer, companies take a time to develop them. AI is cheaper because of the 30 to $40 per month subscription. If company hire a junior developer, they want to spend more money, but the AI models that can replace in the 30 to $40 per month and do better work from the AI, from the junior, that can make a company cost effective. That can, because of company not hiring junior and hire AI models that can help through the cost efficiency, the make a company cost efficiency and less hiring junior.
Okay. So still senior developer value is still exists. But if you will discuss one project,
Yes.
so one project, if you will start from junior, so junior will learn how to do, and without AI, so definitely it will take 6 to 12 months. But with AI, one senior AI tools, you can do it within 15 days, and also less money. Mid level is also value, but not like before. So that's why companies is not hiring. Now companies is hiring problem solvers who is give the, if business have vague vague system, so developer should give the best proper answer, uh, best proper value to them. So after, if you will discuss about problem solvers, if you can give, you can understand the business and after give the solution, so definitely companies will hire you. And engineers, still system thinkers, which we will cover in this part, business aligned, so also we will cover in this book. So this you can see the global market. Now companies is hiring also remote. Before was not like this, but now they are hiring. So you can read here everything, and every country here is mentioned. So who is actually at this the comfort zone trap? Ghulam, cover this part short.
Yes. Yes. Who is actually at the most risk? The comfort zone trap. In that's I talked about later. The comfort zone is your enemy in the AI era. Not every developer is equally at risk. Some are the thriving in the AI era, others are watching their careers evaporate. The difference has nothing to do with year of experience, the prestige of your degree, or the brand name in your resume. The difference is whether you are trapped in the comfort zone that AI has already order re-rendered absolute. This chapter will help you identity exactly where you stand, what specific vulnerabilities you have, and how to escape your comfort zones that's putting your career at risk. The risk spectrum. Developer
Okay.
is risk in 20.
Okay. So nice. So we discussed before also the comfort zone is best enemy in 2026. And here is some examples you can see who I have been coding for X years mean 2 and 3 years. So if you are understanding, you will learn 1 and 2 framework, and that is enough. So definitely you will be out of the market. I work a good company, so never nowadays you can get money, but after you will be out the market. So this kind of example is this chapter. You can also read all, and here is also the companies and countries, so you can read also this thing. The vibe coding trap, which we discussed before also. What is vibe coding and what is vibe coding? Ghulam, just read this thing.
Yes. Yes, which we talked about also vibe coding trap. The 1.5 trillion in technical debt. There is new way of writing software that's sweeping the industry. The vibe coding is, vibe coding is in local language we write and natural language and the output in the coding. The 10% of web coding applications that was collapsed in the 3 to 2 to 3 years. There is a new way of writing software that's sweeping in the industry. It goes by different name: web coding, prompt and driven development, AI assistant coding, but the pattern is same.
So
The pattern is the same.
okay, so you know what is vibe coding? You are doing code, but you don't understand. You are just taking code from AI and you just paste. You don't know what happened behind the scenes. So definitely, this kind of person don't need in the market. So you can read this chapter also. Define this whole thing. So the main part, it's come. the new developer identity, because before you were saying I am an agentic AI developer, I am a multi-stack developer, I am a full stack developer, but now it will that. Why? Because the coder identity is that you will say before the value was you were saying I am doing code more, but now no, this value is enough, finish. Now the value is you will say I can give you solution this. I can give you solution 10, 100 and this thing. Now you can't say I can write 1,000 line. Now just need of solution. So what is an architect of intent? Also we discussed before. So now don't need. So must read this thing. Ghulam, you should read this thing.
Yes,
It's very simple.
the identity shift. Yes, old identity. Write a code. Then the new identity, I solve problems because of the writing code is out of the syllabus. The code is written by AI. We want to solve the problem. We want to understand the problem that can solve that can help us to solve a problem for the business. And the now I know frameworks, I understand system like system designs that can do better and better work for the businesses. I complete tickets, I define solutions. As we talked about the, we want to understand the problem that can help us to find the most valuable solution. I am productive, I am effective. That is um, that is mind's game, not the
Yes.
game of
So
doing a
also
battle code.
before identity, if we will discuss one line, this is main thing, this both line. I am a developer. Before we all, I am also included in this thing. I was also saying I am a developer, and also Ghulam, you were saying. So we all were saying I
Yes,
am a developer. But now, if we will go in 2028, 2030, so definitely you will say I am an architect of intent. I am agentic AI architect. So this thing now, the new identity. My value is my typing speed. That was before. But now your value is your judgment. And I am paid for lines of code. We discuss fully now. You will take decision, and for this thing you will take money. So also we discuss thinking skill, system thinking, logic building also we will discuss. So how this book will save your career? So Ghulam,
yes,
just cover in short one point, not all. Like how to think, just this two, and if you want, so just summarize. I will summarize first, then you will summarize.
yes.
Okay, it will be
Okay,
easy. Okay,
inshallah.
how to
Yes,
think. So first thing, when you start problem, so also it's my own, if we will discuss. So my I have also this problem. We can't ask the question if this will be fail. So after what will be? If we can't see the edge cases in the software, so how to think? You will ask the better question. We will discuss in this part, and how to see system, how to communicate complex ideas clearly, how to work with AI as a partner, not a replacement. AI will do work with your order, not it will brain. You are the brain. This is main thing. System thinking, we will discuss in the part. Logic building, this is the fundamental concept that never change. Every language, whatever language it come, Python, CSS, Python, JavaScript, C, C++, Java, and other all. So fundamental will be same. This is main part. You will learn data structure and that AI struggle. So the all thing you will learn in this part. System design, you will also see that this thing, system design, how system will connect, and this all thing you will see in this part. So debugging, after AI do code, you will test. This is your work now. So also with I am doing code, with AI. But after I will give this also responsibility to AI using MCP servers. So AI also like a QA tester uh, testing my softwares. So also you can do this thing. So six part AI plus agents. This is also main part. You should know when should you chat GPT, when should you use cloud, and when should you use agents. If we will discuss, so cursor based, cloud code based, and copilot. If my opinion, so cloud code is better than all. So problem solving. Now, if you will see in business any problem, so you should give the solution. Now, business and career, if we will discuss about this part, so this is also simple part. Like we can see this part, we can say this part, you will think like a businessman. If your business, so how you can grow. So your mindset will be grow in this part. And the main part, build, deploy, and show. So we will also discover this part. You will build, then deploy, and it will be public. So this part is also important. Ghulam, just shortly cover all parts, not full. Okay. So Ghulam, we now this class is going too long, so we will close it, and second class you will start. Okay, how to think?
I think
Okay.
well, I think very well.